Hello everyone.
Hello.
So today is a hiking day for us and we are arrived at Lammassaari Nature Boardwalk hiking trail.
So this is the starting point.
So we have to follow this sign. This is the sign for the trail
Trail.
and this is one map. So this is the route map. So we are at this point number 1. So we'll follow this route. There is multiple pathway also. So let's follow this route, and it's a nature trail, and at this place there are several other nature trails also. We have selected this trail based on the review, Google review. So let's explore this trail. So I see nice boards along the pathway.
Yes. So
Also,
the beautiful thing is like if you like listen, so many like
birds are there.
like so we can see so many children are here. They are from school, I guess. Yes. Teachers are also there. They are they are building some shelter in this jungle. Yeah, this thing is really nice. These are like activity which is a part of their curriculum. This thing is really nice. Sometimes it's like a best way to just forget everything, just come to the nature, enjoy the breeze, the sound of the birds. So whatever the stress you have in your daily life, it's gone. It's so refreshing.
So this is a mark for another trail, but something picnic paika, I don't know. And but we are following this sign, so we have to go this way.
I think we reached a watchtower.
Let's go up.
Yeah, let's go up and see how it looks. Wow.
So we can see these birds.
Yeah,
From
so
here.
this is a
This is a
bird watching place, right?
Yeah.
So this is the
Wow.
area.
Such a nice view.
Oh, that's why people take their binocular and come
Yeah.
here. Wow. Oh, we will follow that route.
Yeah, that is the trail.
Yeah, we will go there. Let's follow this track. Wow. So this is another checkpoint. We reached here. Ah, this is nearby the main city, right? Because we can see, yeah, so many like buildings, like this kind of trails and city. They are beside along side. So this part is actually for watching birds. People are crazy, like whenever wherever they found the place, they go for running. See this girl. this is another bird watching place. Yeah, so we came from this way, and this is another structure they have made for watching the birds. Wow, lovely. So we reach another part of this trail. We came from there, and now we are going to enter this part. So this is another small trail, I guess. Now we have reached another part which is called Lammassaari and Kusiluoto, right?
Yeah, Kusiluoto.
And this is a recreational area, a public recreational area. So this is not a part of the actual trail, I guess. I think, Ilora, we have reached
The end
the end point. Basically, we started from that place.
Yeah. So
So-
it was a nice and short trail, and we watched lots of birds, but we
Yeah.
don't have proper camera or gear to capture those birds. So
Yeah, for lovers, bird watchers, they must visit this place. Like we saw so many people, they carried their like binocular, tripods,
yeah,
and they were sitting over there and watching birds. And the best part is, like, there are few places that was like that were built for especially to watch
Like
the birds.
viewpoints.
Yeah, it's like a viewpoint. So we started from here, right? And again we came here.
reached here.
So this place was really nice. So I think uh, people are visiting to like Helsinki, and they want to have a nice trail like in the nature. So they
So
must visit this
This
place.
is a forest in the middle of the city.
Yeah,
Like,
this is a nice, like, this is a beauty, right?
this place is surrounded by the city,
Yeah.
so it's a nice place.
So I think,
Especially for bird watching.
yeah. So all in all, it was a nice trip. So let's finish this video right now, and we will see all of you in the next video in some other place. So bye bye.
Bye bye.